For decades, traders have used the MACD to identify momentum shifts and potential trend reversals. But if you have ever tried to trade it, you probably noticed the problem. The MACD gives signals everywhere. Crossovers during sideways markets, signals against the trend, and long-short flips that make sense on the chart but are extremely difficult to trade in live conditions. So I built something better. Today I'm introducing the ATP MACD Signal System, a completely free upgrade of the classic MACD. I will show you exactly how it works, what makes it different, and how the built-in filters and trading presets can help you extract far more useful signals from it. And don't worry, this isn't a paid tool. It's fully open source on TradingView and you can start using it right after the video. I'm ATP and let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the core issue with the traditional MACD. The indicator itself is actually very simple. It measures the relationship between two moving averages and signals potential momentum shifts when the MACD line crosses the signal line. And while that works well in clean trends, the moment the market becomes noisy or sideways, the MACD starts producing signals everywhere. So my goal with this project was simple: keep the strengths of the MACD, but add the missing context the traders actually need. And that's where the ATP MACD Signal System comes in. At its core, the indicator still uses the traditional MACD calculation, but on top of that, it adds several improvements designed to make signals cleaner, more customizable, and easier to read. First, the indicator automatically highlights buy and sell signals whenever a MACD crossover happens. Long signals appear when the MACD crosses above the signal line, and short signals appear when it crosses below. This alone already makes the MACD easier to read visually, since you no longer need to manually track every crossover. But the real improvement comes from the signal filters. Inside the settings, you can choose between three different signal modes. The first one is no filter, which simply shows every MACD crossover exactly like the classic indicator. The second option is the trend filter. In this mode, long signals are only allowed when the MACD is above the zero line, and short signals are only allowed below it. This helps align signals with the dominant market momentum. And the third option is the reversal filter. This does the opposite. It highlights potential reversal signals when the crossover happens on the opposite side of the zero line. So, depending on your strategy, you can use the MACD either as a trend following tool or as a reversal detector. Another useful feature is the trade direction control. Inside the settings, you can choose whether you want to see both long and short signals, long signals only, or short signals. This is especially useful if you are trading markets with a strong directional bias or combining the indicator with other tools. The indicator also includes trading presets designed for different trading styles: scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Each preset automatically adjusts the MACD settings to match the speed of the market you are trading. So, if you are trading lower time frames, the MACD can react faster, and if you are analyzing higher charts, it can provide smoother signals. Another visual improvement is the momentum background. Whenever the MACD momentum turns bullish, the background becomes slightly green, and when momentum turns bearish, it becomes slightly red. This makes it much easier to understand the overall market momentum without focusing too much on the lines themselves. And finally, the indicator also includes a small signal counter showing how many bullish and bearish signals have appeared on the chart, and it also includes a setting called minimum bars between signals. This option allows you to control the minimum number of candles that must pass before a new signal can appear. By increasing this value, you can reduce signal noise and focus only on stronger momentum shifts. Now let me show you how to add the indicator to your charts. Simply open TradingView, go to the Indicators tab and search for ATP MACD Signal System. You should see it appear in the public indicators. And if for some reason you can't find it, you can also download the full open source code from our Discord server. Just go to the free materials channel, the link is in the description, and from there simply copy the code, then open the Pine editor in TradingView, click on Create New Indicator, paste the code, save it and add it to your chart, and that's it. Now, of course, the most important question is, does this actually work? As many of you know, this channel is all about real testing. So, in the next video, I'm going to run a full backtest of this MACD system using my automated testing bot across multiple assets and timeframes. We'll compare different filter modes, analyze thousands of signals, and see which setup actually performs the best. And that's it for today. If you found this indicator useful, feel free to leave a like, it really helps the channel, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming test results. I'm ATP, stay sharp, trade smart, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.